Hello, myself Onkar Patil, and I am welcoming you to this presentation on the topic of cryogenic rocket engines. Agenda of this presentation would be what is CRE, history of CRE, list of countries having CRE, comparison of first stage and upper stage of CRE. So, what is cryogenic rocket engine? Cryogenic originated from two Greek words, kairos, which means cold or freezing, and gene, which means burn or produced. Meaning of cryogenic. Cryogenic is the study of production of very low temperature, nearly about 123 Kelvin, in which the material behavior and properties are studied at that temperature. Cryogenic engine is a type of rocket engine designed to use the fuel or oxidizer which must be refrigerated to remain in liquid state. A cryogenic rocket engine uses a cryogenic fuel and oxidizer, that is, both its fuel and oxidizer are gases liquefied and stored at very low temperatures. A cryogenic technology is the process of involvement or including of usage of rocket propellant at a cryogenic temperature. It can be the combination of liquid fuels such as liquid oxygen, nothing but LOX, and liquid hydrogen, which is LH2, as an oxidizer and fuel in the different mixture or proportions. The mixture of fuels offers the highest energy efficiency for the rocket engine that produces very high amount of thrust. To talk about cryogenic propellants, rocket engines need high mass flow rates of both oxidizer and fuel to generate useful thrust. Oxygen, the simplest and most common oxidizer, is in the gas phase at standard temperature and pressure, as it hydrogen, the simplest fuel. These cryogenic temperatures vary depending on the propellant, with liquid oxygen existing below minus 183 degrees Celsius, that is minus 297.4 degree Fahrenheit and 90.1 Kelvin, and liquid hydrogen below minus 253 degrees Celsius, which is minus 423.4 degree Fahrenheit or 20.1 Kelvin. Since one or more of the propellants is in the liquid phase, all the cryogenic rocket engines are by definition either liquid propellant rocket engine or hybrid rocket engine. Coming to the history of cryogenic rocket engine. This rocket technology has great history involving many giant nations, including USA, Russia, Japan, France, etc. A close competition was led in latter half of 20th century for this technology, since its invention by USA. When USA successfully launched its first Atlas V rocket in 1963, boosted up the Cold War between Russia and USA, which played a significant role in rapid advancement in this technology in such a short period of time. After USA, Russia started its test of launch vehicle. Firstly, Russia carried a dog named Linus in space in 1983. Russia was first to take human in space using Sputnik. In 1963, United States of America was the first country to develop the CRE with the use of RL-10 engines with the successful flight, and it is still used on Atlas V rocket. Other countries are like Japan used LE-5 in 1997, France used HM-7 in 1979, used the respective rocket engines. Here, the mixture of liquid N2, hydrogen, and liquid oxygen are used as fuels. In 1987, first CRE was launched with a human in space. To talk about India, Indian Space Research Organization was also trying its hand on this technology in 20th century. ISRO's then chairman UR Rao in 1993 announced that its cryogenic engine will have a launch in just 4 years. But it took more than 20 years to ignite its cryogenic engine, so we joined the competition much late in 21st century due to its frequent failure and no technical support from other developed countries. But now ISRO is working good with successful launch of Mangalyaan in its first attempt, being the first country of this kind. Uh, this slide shows a list of countries having CRE. Currently, 6 countries have successfully deployed and developed liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen engines, that is cryogenic engines. Um, those are United States, Russia, France, India, People's Republic of China, and Japan. So starting with US, the first engine flown over the Atlas is RL-10 engine. Then US developed J2 SSME, RS-68, BE3, BE7, and J2X for different missions. To talk about Russia, Russia have developed 3 engines named as RD-0120, KVD-1 RD-0146 for booster and upper stage. France have developed 3 engines, Vulcan, HM7B, and Vinci. India's first cryogenic engine is C7.5 used for GSLV Mark II, and C20 was developed for GSLV Mark III, which was used in Mangalyaan mission. People's Republic of China, that is China, have developed 4 engines of YF series. That is starting with YF 73, then 75, 75D, and last 77. Then Japan have also developed several engines, starting with LE series, LE77A and LE55. Coming to next, comparison of first stage CRE. First stage, to compare first stage CRE, SSME RS-25 of United States, LE7A of Japan, and RD-0120 of Soviet Union has used for staged combustion cycle, whereas France, United States, and People's Republic China's of Vulcan 2, RS-68, YF-77 respectively have been used for gas generator cycle. Where the dry weight of United States is maximum as a 3177 kg, whereas People's of Republic China's YF-77 has a very less weight, that is 1054 kg. To talk about specific impulse in a vacuum, France, Soviet Union's RD-0120 have maximum specific impulse in vacuum, that is 454 seconds. And at sea level, thrust developed by SSME or RS-25 is maximum as 1.817 meganewton. This slide shows comparison of upper stage cryogenic rocket engine. So thrust in a vacuum, our Indian CE20 has maximum thrust 200 kilonewton in a vacuum. And specific impulse, to talk about specific impulse, India's CE 7.5 have 454 in vacuum, and the maximum 462 of Soviet Union's KVD-1. So this chart also shows the various parameters used for before the design of cryogenic rocket engines. So thank you.